Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Now we will discuss about exercise 10.2. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 235. Exercise 10.2. Here one number is not need to do. Comes to two number. Two number. Here you find out the area of rectangles, and three number you find out the area of square. So children, you know the formula, length multiply breadth, you just multiply. Okay. But here you see fraction part is given. Half means 0.5. So 13.5 and 0.5 you multiply. Then here area of squares means side multiply side. Here children you see 1 whole 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means 0.3. So 1.3 multiply 1.3. You find out the answer. Then comes to 4 number. Find the area of a square of side 36 centimeter. So side is given. So easily you can find out the area of square 36 multiply 36. But here you see your answer will be in meter. Here given centimeter. But your answer will be meter. So whatever you get the product, just you divide with 10,000 because 1 meter square equal to 10,000. Okay. Then comes to 5 number. Area of a rectangular field of breadth 30 meter and area is 1800 meter square. Find its length and the perimeter. So children, rectangular field breadth is given and area is given. So we can find out the length. Okay. 1800 by 30. Okay. After we get the length, then easily we can find out the perimeter. Perimeter formula is 2 multiply L plus B. Then comes to 6 number. Find the breadth of rectangle of length 8.5 centimeter and area 34 centimeter square. Here area and length is given. So easily we can find out the breadth. Just we divide. Then 7 number. Find the area of a square whose perimeter is 140 meter. So here we have to find out the area, but we don't know the side. So from perimeter formula is 4a. So we divide this one with 4. Okay. Then we get side. After we get side, then we find out the area. Side multiply side. Okay children. Then comes to 8 number. Find the cost of leveling a rectangular park of length 315 meter and breadth 250 meter at the rate of 6 rupees per 100 square meter. Okay. So find the cost of leveling rectangular park. Length and breadth is given. Okay. So here we find out the first area. Okay. Then 100 square meter cost this much, and whatever you got, then you multiply. Okay. 9 number. Find the cost of a mica required for covering the top of a square shaped table of side this much. Okay. Here square means one side is given. Easily we can find out the area. Then 1 square meter cost equal to this much. Then whatever we found the product, just we multiply. Then comes to 10 number. A room is 7 meter long and 4 meter 25 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Here just we multiply. Before we to multiply, first convert this meter centimeter into 1 unit. Okay. Then we multiply. Find the number of square tile of size this much required for decorating a wall. 6 meter, 4 meter. Also find the total cost of the tiles required for this purpose. If one tile cost is this much. So a square, first we find out the area of square. Okay, then find out the area of rectangle. Because your length and breadth is given. Okay, then we divide this square area by rectangle area. Okay, then we find out the total area. Then one cost of one tile is this much, then whatever you got, just you multiply. Then comes to 12th number. If you have the option of selecting a rectangular plot of size 130 meter multiply 40 meter, means length is 130 meter and breadth is 40 meter, or a square plot of size is 70 meter at the same price, the cost of the area is same. Which one you will prefer and why? So differently you find out the area of this rectangular plot and square plot. Then you think, okay. 13 number. A floor is 6.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So here we find out the area of the floor and area of the carpet. Okay. Then we subtract these two area. Then we find out the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Then comes to 14 number. 5 squares pieces each of side 3 cm are cut from a rectangular board 9 cm long and 7 cm wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the board? So one square, first you find the one square area, then you multiply with 5 because 5 squares is given. Then again you find out the area of rectangular board. Okay, then you subtract, then you find out the remaining part of the board. 15 number. Split the following shapes into rectangles and shapes and find their areas. Okay, here all measurements are given in centimeter. Here children, you just follow example 22. Here how many figures are there? If you join like this, 2 figures you get. And B bit here, if you join here and here, 1, 2, 3, 3 figures you get. Here C bit, if you join like this or like this, you got 3 figures. Okay, and in this figure you just joined 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Then you get easily 4 squares. Okay, so like this children, you complete this exercise in your copy. First follow all the examples. Okay, then you start this exercise. Thank you.